Have you ever found yourself daydreaming about someone special, wondering how you can make them notice you? Maybe you're tired of feeling invisible and want to know the secret to making your crush like you back. Well, you're in the right place. Today, we'll break down the exact steps to spark their interest and build a connection, without being awkward or desperate. Stick around because the strategies we're about to share could completely change your love life. Understand their perspective. The first step to making your crush like you is to understand their perspective. Attraction isn't just about looks, it's about how someone makes you feel. Think about it. What do you find attractive in someone else? It's usually their confidence, kindness, or sense of humor, right? Now, flip the script. Ask yourself, how can I make my crush feel good about themselves when they're around me? Be someone who listens, who encourages, and who makes them laugh. When you focus on making someone feel valued, they naturally become more drawn to you. Build a connection through common interests. Next, it's time to find common ground. Relationships, even in their early stages, thrive on shared interests and experiences. If you know what your crush enjoys, be it music, sports, movies, or hobbies, find ways to naturally bring those topics into your conversations. For example, if they're into a particular band, mention a song you love or ask for recommendations. If they're passionate about a sport, show genuine curiosity by asking questions. Building a connection through shared interests shows that you're attentive and thoughtful. Boost your confidence. Confidence is magnetic. Even if you're nervous, projecting confidence can make a huge difference in how your crush perceives you. Start by working on yourself. Dress in a way that makes you feel good. Stand tall and maintain eye contact. But confidence isn't just about appearances. It's also about how you carry yourself emotionally. Be comfortable in your own skin and don't be afraid to show your unique personality. Remember, people are most attractive when they're unapologetically themselves. Subtle flirting and positive body language. Let's talk about flirting. The key here is to keep it subtle and natural. A warm smile, playful teasing, or even a lighthearted compliment can go a long way. Body language is just as important. Lean in slightly when they're talking to show you're interested. Mirror their movements subtly to create a sense of connection, and avoid crossing your arms. It can make you seem closed off. These little cues send powerful signals without being over the top. Give insecure space. One of the biggest mistakes people make is coming on too strong. No one likes to feel pressured or overwhelmed. Giving your crush space shows that you respect their independence and aren't trying to rush anything. This also creates a bit of mystery, which can make you more intriguing. So, don't be afraid to take a step back and let them come to you. Remember, balance is key. Show interest, but don't overdo it. Let me share a quick story to illustrate these tips in action. A friend of mine, Mark, had a huge crush on a girl he worked with. Instead of trying to impress her by showing off or constantly seeking her attention, he took a different approach. He noticed she loved photography, so he casually asked for tips to improve his own skills. Over time, they bonded over shared interests, and she started to see him in a different light. Mark also made sure to give her space and didn't push for anything too quickly. Before long, she was the one initiating conversations. The making your crush like you isn't about grand gestures or pretending to be someone you're not. It's about understanding them, building a connection, and being the best version of yourself. When you focus on creating genuine moments of connection, everything else will fall into place. Remember, the goal isn't just to make them like you. It's to create a relationship that's built on mutual respect and understanding. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with someone who might need it. And if you've got any stories or strategies of your own, drop them in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. Subscribe to the channel for more insights on relationships, self-improvement, and building meaningful connections. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.